Today, apps are everywhere. We use them on our phones, tablets, and even our computers. Building an app for each platform separately can be time-consuming and expensive. That's where cross-platform development comes in. Imagine writing code once and having it work seamlessly on multiple platforms. That's the power of cross-platform development. It allows developers to reach a wider audience with less effort. This means faster development cycles and cost savings. Cross-platform development is not just a trend, it's the future of app development. As users demand access on various devices, developers need tools that can keep up. That's where Dart and Flutter come in, offering a powerful solution for building beautiful, high-performance apps that run flawlessly across multiple platforms. Every great app needs a powerful engine driving it. For Flutter apps, that engine is Dart. Dart is a programming language developed by Google, specifically designed for building high-quality, cross-platform applications. Dart is easy to learn and use, even for beginners. Its syntax is clear and concise, resembling languages like Java and JavaScript. This familiarity makes it easy for developers to pick up Dart quickly, but Dart's simplicity doesn't mean it's lacking in power. Dart comes equipped with features like static typing and garbage collection, ensuring code reliability and efficient memory management. What truly sets Dart apart is its ability to compile into native machine code. This means that Flutter apps built with Dart run smoothly and efficiently on various platforms, providing a native-like experience to users. While Dart forms the foundation, Flutter is the framework that brings your app's vision to life. Flutter is Google's UI toolkit, allowing developers to craft beautiful, natively compiled applications from a single code base. Flutter's approach to UI design is unique and powerful. It utilizes a rich catalog of pre-built widgets, each designed with material design principles in mind. These widgets are not just visually appealing, they're also incredibly customizable, allowing developers to create unique user experiences tailored to their apps. But the magic of Flutter goes beyond its widgets. One of its standout features is hot reload. This allows developers to see the results of their code changes instantly, without restarting the app. This dramatically speeds up the development process, making it incredibly efficient and enjoyable. Dart and Flutter together form a formidable duo in the world of cross-platform app development. They offer a unique combination of speed, performance, and beauty, making them an ideal choice for developers of all skill levels. But the benefits of using Dart and Flutter extend beyond their technical capabilities. The growing popularity of Flutter has fostered a vibrant and supportive community. This means readily available resources, documentation, and support for developers embarking on their Flutter journey. From startups to tech giants, companies worldwide are recognizing the power of Dart and Flutter. Apps built with this dynamic duo are not only visually stunning but also deliver exceptional performance and a seamless user experience across platforms. As the demand for cross-platform apps continues to rise, Dart and Flutter are poised to shape the future of app development, empowering developers to create innovative and engaging experiences for users worldwide.